Guys, I'm dead tired, and look what my kids did. This is all I need, and I'm dead tired. But I have this. And I'm telling you, if you don't have this in your house, what are you doing? Don't think I'm just trying to sell it to you. I really mean it with all my heart. I love this thing. It saves me so much time. Instead of washing a mop and sweeping the whole house, you get it done in one swoop. I'm mopping and sweeping at the same exact time. For everybody that does not know, I have 5 kids. And this helps me out so much, and it's self-cleaning, easy to maintain. It only takes 35 seconds to clean itself. You press the little button and it cleans itself. And it runs for 30 minutes. And the clean water tank is 850 ml. And the used water tank is 450 ml. And it has edge brush rollers. It's for all the edges, to clean all the dirt, collect all the dirt. And it's great on carpets. It's fast and easy and very convenient. It's also good for spills. It's good for corners, as you could tell. Look at all that dirty water. It's very easy to clean. And that's it, done.